Hey friends, welcome to my channel, and my channel name is Hot Wheeler Booster Shinjan. So many viewers of mine asked me to give a new game video. So today I will show you my Hot Wheels car game only, but from next day a new car game. So today I will unlock a new Hot Wheels car. So let's start. So Purge. So let's start.
Dude, I'm so
So I will skip that to show you faster. So this car, tweenmill 3. So let's unlock it. I have done in level 4. Now I have to done level 5 to unlock this tweenmill, and then I will show you my bone crusher versus tweenmill versus Roger Dodger. So let's unlock it.
challenge accepted. Pick a ride, any ride.
I choose Roger Dodger only because he is more stronger than Bone Shaker. He can tweenmill. So let's unlock it.
Time to bring.
It's very hard. So friends, I am in second position, but now I am in first. Friends, I can do it. Oh no, friends. See friends, that is why I take my Roger Dodger. So friends, you see why I don't take my Bone Shaker, because if I take my Bone Shaker then I will lose. My Roger Dodger is most stronger than my Bone Shaker. See friend, I am in first position. Oh friends, sorry, I am in second position. But I will cross it. I will cross this. Roger Dodger. Oh friends, I am in first position. The race was still begin. No. Oh shit, friends. These are two. Oh friends, I am in third position. Oh no, friends, I am in fourth position. Why there is no jump? That car is so fast, which is going in first position. But now I am in second position. Oh shit, friends! Oh shit, friends! I am third.
Why not try another car?
But I have unlocked the tire, and my new car was unlocked.
All right, this tweenmill 3 is ready to roll.
So let's test it. friends. Oh friends, see, a new truck.
A boost and a hairpin. The turn kicker is crazy dangerous and fun. All right, let's go get
Alright,
some red
then
wheels.
try
Hey,
our
have
three
you tried
types.
racing
First
with a buddy?
tweenmill,
Choose a
then
car
bone shaker,
and
then
smash that
dodger
race
dodger.
button.
This is my tweenmill. Let's see.
There's no way you're looking.
Let's see its speed. Oh friends, its speed is just awesome. But still I am in third position. This bone crusher wants to beat me. Oh friends, I am in sixth position. Now I am in fourth position. This was 1-1 battle. Okay friends, now I am in third position. Oh friends, have you seen the roll? They haven't used it.
They're really giving you a run for your
Tweenmill
money.
was third. Now let's see bone shaker.
And the winner is Bone Shaker.
Okay friends, now
Your
let's
track is
see my bone
awesome.
shaker.
Would be a shame not to share it.
My tweenmill was third. Let's see.
Hey, have you tried
My
racing with a buddy?
bone
Choose a car
shaker.
and let's race.
Let's see my bone shaker.
We are now.
Friends, this car was beating me, but I will not leave it. Ah. Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn it! Yes! Oh shit! It's holy shit. Bone shaker was in fourth position. It's gone down. Now bone shaker in second position. Bone shaker in third position. Second position. Bone shaker is now first position. Now in second position. But still he will not lose.
You can do
Oh
better.
friends,
I've seen you do better.
here also I become
And
third.
the winner is RDO2.
Shit friends.
There are
Now
still
everything
challenges
was
to
in
clear in
Roger
Hot Wheels
Dodger.
City if you're interested.
Let's see.
Cool race. Why don't you share it online so others can
It
let's tackle
seems
some
Roger
challenges?
Dodger is
yeah?
best of
I
best of
recommend
the
the
two.
one with 4 tires. Up to you. Hot Wheels.
Let's go friends.
Tap, tap, tap.
Yes. See the Roger Dodger speed. Royal. Yeah, I am doing a mistake. This burger car is very fast. I think it's slow, but it's really fast. Oh friends, I am in now first position. Thank God I got that fireway. Oh shit, he got the fireway. But still I am in first position. Oh, I'm in second position. You want to beat me? But
You really pushed them to their limits. Next one is yours.
oh,
I know
friends,
it.
I'm fourth.
And the winner is
Calm down.
Twinmill 3.
Means
What a
there was a
ride.
semi-final
You should
battle.
definitely share it online. I'm sure
It
everyone
means
will love it.
Twin Mill and Bone Shaker both are best. But friends, today I will off my video because there was 11 because the time was 11 p.m. So I am off my video. In my next video I will show you Bone Shaker versus Twin Mill because they tie the match. Okay friends, bye. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. My channel name is Hot Wheeler Booster Shinjon. So bye bye friend, and what's up? Good night and stay healthy, eat healthy food. Bye.